Hi, this is Dave Feudal with ExpertVillage.com. Alright, so here's how this works. You'll take the rope and you'll put it over, I put it over my left hand with the short end towards my palm and the long end out here. And when I say short end, you want about 5 or 6 inches, and the long end can be as long as you like. Now I'll take the long end and wrap it around your thumb, and if you notice, I'm doing it in a nice even line. I'm not just kind of balling it up just however. I'm putting it nice and straight across. And I'll get to almost the end of my thumb, and I'll come up here and I'll make a little loop, just like that. Now I grab the short end that was hanging towards my palm and grab here, and what I tell them is I'm going to get this through the little hole here. Well, in actuality, it doesn't go through the hole. It's going to come under the hole. And I'll let you see how this goes here. As this comes here, I go 1, 2, and this comes under and up through like this. So it really came from underneath like this and through. But when done quickly, when you do this at full speed, they won't see it come from this side of the rope. It'll look like you went right through that little hole. So you go 1, 2, 3, and it looks like it just goes right through. But in actuality, it's just coming from underneath and going in the hole. And that's threading the needle.